From an anatomical study of the earliest fossil birds, these birds were probably not good at flying, or at least not capable of the powered flight and the immediate takeoffs observed in modern birds. This is because they lacked a keel sternum, which would support the enlarged chest muscles of modern birds, but also because they lacked the triosseal canal and foramen that allows the supracoracoideus muscle to give the powered upstroke, which allows a rapid takeoff. By the Cretaceous period, within the group of birds, a new group, the Ornithothoraces, sometimes called the Ornithoraces, the bird thorax group, had evolved, which had adapted the thorax for more powered flight. The keel of the sternum was larger, but also the supracoracoideus muscle, which is deep to the chest muscle, the pectoralis muscle, was modified so that it could attach to the humerus of the wing from above despite its position below the wing, and therefore when it contracted, its tendon could act like a pulley, allowing for the upstroke of a wing, especially in takeoff. There are three bones in the avian pectoral girdle: the strap-like scapula, the procoracoid, which attaches to the sternum, and the fused clavicles, which form the furcula. In this image, if one were to make the bones of the wing disappear, the humerus, the radius, the ulna, just to get a better view of the pectoral girdle, and if one were to make one of the two scapula and procoracoid bones disappear so that we could observe the medial surface of the procoracoid, there is a canal, a triosseal canal, called triosseal because it will involve these three bones, that then passes through a small channel, which is often an opening, a hole, or a foramen, the triosseal foramen, bounded by the scapula, procoracoid, and furcula. In these images, you can observe the triosseal canal formed by the space created when the scapula, procoracoid, and furcula fuse, where the tendon of the supracoracoideus muscle passes from the triosseal canal on the medial surface of the procoracoid to then attach to the humerus of the wing from above. So even though the muscle, the supracoracoideus, lies beneath the wing, its attachment to the wing is a pulley-like tendon which attaches from above. Thus, when the muscle contracts, it causes a powerful upstroke. While this may not be absolutely required for flight, pigeons can still fly when this tendon is cut. It is essential for a powered takeoff. And so a pigeon is not able to take off from a standstill without this muscle. Perhaps the earliest birds needed to get a running start in order to take off, or to climb a tree and leap from a branch in order to take off. But once the Ornithothoraceae group evolved, then birds possessed a more modern thorax and were capable of powered flight and a powered liftoff.